This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeff Chancey. Bank owned. Needs all cosmetic updating, and most likely a new roof. Nice lot backing up to Melbourne Tillman Canal for privacy buffer. Nice floor plan with large living room and family room with fireplace. Nice side screened porch. Cute front covered porch as well. Great location just a couple blocks to the street. John's Heritage Parkway and Fred Poppe Regional Park. Cash offers only. Home sold as is. Seller has no knowledge of condition of property. For more information, review the details below.